Okay, I'll show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this BMW. It's not as intuitive as it could be. I will show you why. If you click your iTunes, you'll see at the bottom there BMW 91266. Now click it, it's a red triangle and 3 red circles. You see their iPhone and it shows it's playing through BMW. So if I now if I click the CD button at the bottom here, you'll see CD, it's playing through there. But if I click the selector over like so, you'll see CD, DVD, music collection, external devices, tone and Bluetooth. You would think it's Bluetooth. So you click on Bluetooth, turn this up, nothing happens. And it's showing Barry's iPhone. However, just turn it down again, click back across to that, go to external devices, click on external devices, and then Barry's iPhone 10 comes up, or auxiliary front. So now if I turn this up and then turn so that's it. It actually plays through external devices, not by selecting Bluetooth. There, nothing happens.